टीचर।
बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। अस्सलाम वालेकुम स्टूडेंट्स, गुड मॉर्निंग।
वालेकुम अस्सलाम।
वालेकुम अस्सलाम।
हाउ आर यू स्टूडेंट्स?
देखो आपकी नहीं आवाज जाती। टीचर बोलो, टीचर मेरी आवाज आ रही है?
यू आर फाइन।
अब टीचर नहीं आए, बोलो
आई
टीचर
होप
मेरी आवाज।
स्टूडेंट्स आर फाइन।
टीचर मेरी आवाज आई है आपको?
ओके स्टूडेंट्स, आवर फर्स्ट लेक्चर इज इंग्लिश। Student number 1, topic is Gullivers in Lilliput. Today we have done learn to read 1. Students, first of all, you hear me the last lecture that we have done.
टीचर अस्सलाम वालेकुम।
Anyone
टीचर
student?
आगे आओ।
टीचर अस्सलाम वालेकुम।
Students,
सारे बच्चे।
the other students kindly close your mic. Yes, Faiba, please hear.
टीचर हेलो
Laiba.
हेलो।
मैं कई घंटे बहुत अच्छी तरह सोया। जब मैं जागा मैंने अपने पाँव पर खड़ा होने की
Very good. Yes.
कोशिश हरकत ना कर सका। मेरे बाजू और टांगे और मेरे लंबे घने बाल जमीन के साथ बंधे हुए थे। मैं रस्सी के कई पतले टुकड़े अपने
जी।
गर्दन के नीचे से महसूस कर सकता था। मेरा एक हिस्सा जिसे मैं कर सकता था मेरी आंखें थी।
Very good, very good. Next, Abdul Moiz, please hear me the translation. Abdul Moiz. Abdul Moiz, are you listening me? Abdul Moiz.
चलो आपने मेरी
Yes, anyone student can hear me the translation? Any other students? Who will hear me the translation? Students, are you listening me?
Yes, teacher, we are listening you.
Yes. Now, who will hear me the translation? Abdul Moiz. Adan, Amar, Meera,
Present.
बोलो
इमरान की प्रेजेंट लगा दें।
hear me the
टीचर मेरी।
translation? Okay, student. Now we start our today's work. I hope all of the students learn their previous work. Open your books. Page number 14. First, we have done our book work. Then we write question answer on our Siva copies. Okay, students. First, all of the students open your books. Open your English book. Page number 14. Today we have done learn to read 1. The first question of learn to read 1 is complete the following sentences in your own words. Okay, students, fill in the blanks. Our first question is fill in the blanks. First one is Gulliver could feel thin dash all over his body. गुलिवर अपने सारे जिस्म के इर्द गिर्द क्या चीज महसूस कर सकता था? The answer of first fill in the blanks is that pieces of string. Pieces of string. Pieces of string mean रस्सी के टुकड़े. गुलिवर when the people of Lilliput were tied Gullivers on the ground, he tied the Gullivers with a lot of pieces of strings. So when Gullivers tried to get up, but he could not get up, so he feel that his all the body were tied with the thin pieces of strings. The answer of first fill in the blanks is pieces of string. Are you understand? Next, come to the next. He was unable to see the things that were moving because he dashed to the ground. He was unable, वो इस काबिल नहीं था to see the things के चीजों को देख सकता that were moving, जो उसके इर्द गिर्द हरकत कर रही थी, because his dash, क्योंकि उसकी कौन सी चीज जमीन के साथ बंधी हुई थी. The answer of second fill in the blanks is that because his body and hair was tied. Okay, because his body and hair was tied. क्योंकि उसका जिस्म और उसके बाल जमीन के साथ बंधे हुए थे. So he cannot move and he cannot see the things that have been moving around him. Understand? Now come to the next fill in the blanks. The third one is he was very surprised by the dash of the man. वो लिलीपुट के लोगों की किस चीज से बहुत ज्यादा हैरान हुआ था. The answer of third fill in the blanks is size. Because the people of Lilliput were very small sizes, so the Gullivers were surprised to see the people of Lilliput. The next one is the spears could not injure him because his jacket dash. Students, जब हमने स्टोरी पढ़ी तो मैंने आपको बताया था कि लिलीपुट के लोगों ने गुलिवर्स पर तीर बरसाए थे. उनके तीर जितने छोटे थे जैसे कि हमारे यहाँ पर एक छोटी सी नीडल होती है, जस्ट लाइक आवर नीडल्स. ओके, तो इस फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स में ये पूछा गया है कि उनके नीडल्स, उनके जो स्पीयर्स, उन्होंने तीर गुलिवर्स पर बरसाए थे, उससे गुलिवर्स को नुकसान क्यों नहीं हुआ. उसकी क्या रीजन थी? Yes, student. Anyone tell me what is the reason why the spears of Lilliput cannot injure the Gullivers?
सर आपने मेरी अटेंडेंस लगा दी है.
जी स्टूडेंट्स, मैंने सबके अटेंडेंस लगा दी. जी, आप में से कोई मुझे बताएगा कि लिलीपुट के लोगों ने जो तीर गुलिवर पर बरसाए थे उससे गुलिवर को नुकसान क्यों नहीं हुआ था?
लगवाता हूँ टीचर.
मैं बताऊं लाइबा मुनीर.
जी लाइबा बताएं. जी लाइबा.
Because his jacket was made of string cloth.
Very good, excellent. Because his jacket was made of strong cloth. Yes, the answer of 4 fill in the blanks is that was made of strong cloth. Is it clear? His jacket was made of strong cloth, क्योंकि उसकी जैकेट जो गुलिवर्स ने पहनी हुई थी वो बहुत स्ट्रॉन्ग क्लॉथ के साथ बनी हुई थी और लिलीपुट के लोगों के स्पेयर्स ने उसको इंजर नहीं किया. Is it clear? Now come to the next fill in the blanks. They realized that he was hungry because he pointed. How the people of Lilliput come to know that Gullivers were hungry? लिलीपुट के लोगों को कैसे पता लगा था कि गुलिवर्स भूखा है? Yes. Who will tell me the answer of this fill in the blanks?
टीचर मैं बताऊं लाइबा मुनीर.
Yes, Laiba.
To his open mouth.
Yes, very good, excellent. Because he pointed to his open mouth, क्योंकि उसने अपने खुले हुए मुंह की तरफ इशारा किया था, जिससे लिलीपुट के लोगों को पता लगा था कि गुलिवर्स भूखा है. To his open mouth. Okay, is it clear? Have all the students fulfilled their fill in the blanks? Students, are you understand? Okay. I hope all the students can note down this on your books. Now, open your copies. We have done our C work. Learn to read one. First question is fill in the blanks that you have done on your books. This is your book work. Now open your copies. The question number 2 is your copy work. Now students, open your English C work copies. Students, you write your copies, write your question answers with me. After writing the question answer, I will check your copies. Okay? Open your copies, write date and date. Also write C work. C work. Okay? Write unit number 1. Topic is Gullivers in Lilliput. All the students study your copies. Then make a heading with pointers. Learn to read 1. Okay. The first question of learn to read 1 is fill in the blanks. That is our book work. Okay. Now I write the second question that you write on your English C work copies. Write neatly so you can learn easily. Now I write the question number 2 of learn to read 1. Question number 2 is why were the Lilliputians? Lilliputians mean the people of Lilliput. Lilliputians able to tie up Gulliver. Again, I revise the questions. Why were the Lilliputians able to tie up Gullivers? Why क्यों? वर थे Lilliputians mean Lilliput के लोग, able काबिल, टू टाई बांधने के, अब गुलिवर को लीलीपुट के लोग इस काबिल कैसे हो गए कि उन्होंने गुलिवर्स को जमीन के साथ बांध दिया. Yes, students. जी मुझे इसका आंसर बताएगा कोई? Neerav, tell me the answer of this question.
Ma'am,
Neerav, tell me the answer of this question. Why the people of Lilliputians able to tie up the Gullivers? Okay. Now I write the answer of this question. Because he
ये आपने क्वेश्चन 1 का आंसर क्या लिखवाया था? मैं लेट आई हूँ, नेट का थोड़ा सा प्रॉब्लम हो गया था.
Students, Before this question, I write the question number 1 from learn to read 1, which is fill in the blanks that we have done in our book. Now I write the question number 2 that you can write on your English Evo copies. I write the answer because he had been very tired after swimming to safety. After swimming to safety, and had tired after swimming to safety, and had fallen into a deep sleep for several hours. Okay, again I revise the answer. Our question is that गुलिवर्स के लोग, लिलीपुट के लोग गुलिवर्स को जमीन पर बांधने में कैसे कामयाब हो गए थे? Again I revise the answer. Because क्योंकि he had been very tired, क्योंकि वो बहुत थका हुआ था. After bath, swimming तैरने के, to safety एहतियात से, क्योंकि वो एहतियात से तैरने के बाद बहुत थका हुआ था. And had fallen और गिर गया into a deep sleep, गहरी नींद में सो गया for several hours, कई घंटों के लिए. After reading the story, we come to know that as the ship of Gullivers were destroyed in the ocean, luckily he know how to swim, so he is swimming many hours, but when he reached at the dry lands, he was very hungry and also very tired, so he fallen into a deep sleep for several hours. That is the reason the people of Lilliput were able to tie up the Gullivers on the ground. Is it clear? I hope all of you understand. I hope all of you understand. I hope all of the students understand the answer of this question. Now we come to the question number 2. So question number 2 is that students, have you noted down this answer? Now I raise the board and write question. Okay, now come to question number 3. Our next question is,
मैंने लिखा ये तस्वीर इस तरह कर देते हैं। कट कर दिया मैंने।
our next question is, list the things. List the things in the passage. Students, you write with me. After completing the answer of this question, I also check your copies. List the things in the passage. In the passage that provides that prove that the Lilliputians were very small. Our next question is, list the things. उन चीजों की लिस्ट बनानी है in the passage, पैराग्राफ में से, रीडिंग में से, that prove that, जिससे हमें ये साबित हो जाए the Lilliputians were very small, that the people of Lilliputians were very small. We can make a list of 3 things that will prove that the people of Lilliputians were very small. Okay, now I write the answer of this question. We write this question in points. First, write point number 1. Point number 1, the men were only 6 inches tall. Okay, our first point is the men were only 6 inches tall. सिर्फ 6 इंच लंबे थे. The people of Lilliput, the people of Lilliput were only 6 inches. So we know that the people of Lilliput were very small. Okay, clear? The second point is, they needed to put ladder against Gulliver to claim, to claim on him. Okay, now I explain the second point of this question. They needed, उन्हें जरूरत थी, to put ladder, एक सीढ़ी की, एक स्टेयर की, against Gullivers, Gullivers के खिलाफ या Gullivers को ऊपर चढ़ने के लिए, to climb चढ़ने के लिए, on him उसके, because Gullivers are a very large band and the people of Lilliputans is very small, so the people of Lilliputans needed a ladder against Gullivers to climb on him. Is it clear? They are, through this point, we also know that the people of Lilliputans were very smart. Now come to the next point. Our third point is their arrows were the size of needles. The third thing that will tell us the size of Lilliputans people, their arrows, उनके तीर were थे, the size, उनके तीर का size of needle, सुई के जितना था. Okay students, जो तीर उन्होंने पहने हुए थे उनके तीर का size needles के जितना था. I hope all of you students note down these two questions and also understand. Students, now show me your copies where you write the answer of these two questions. Show me your copies. Open your cameras. Abdul Basit, Abdul Mois, Amal, Aruj, Fatma, Hadia Shehzad, Meera, Laiba. Students, show me your copies. Show me your copies where you write the answer of these two questions. Very good. Very good, students. Excellent. I hope all of you understand and note down these two questions. Now I raise the board and write the diary of our 2 days. Now write the diary. Our first lecture is English. Unit number 1. Learn to read one. Learn to read one full lunch. Full Sivak lunch. Okay? Okay, students? Note down your diary. I hope all of you understand. And also learn your lessons regularly. Okay, students, our day's class time is over now. After 5 minutes, you can again join the new meetings. Okay, take care.